In this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin versus the Argentina pesos. What's going on in Argentina? Why does this graph look like this? And why is Bitcoin at an all-time high in Argentina? Further, we will talk about the price of Bitcoin, where the support is, what's going on with the price, and where the resistance is. So if you think that's as interesting, you should definitely watch this video. Bitcoin is still in a downward channel since we topped at the end of June, 26 June to be exactly. And we started this rally, this short-term rally at the beginning of August, the end of July, where we topped exactly at the top of this channel. So as you can see, I draw it here where the support lays. Gave it support 1, 2, 3 times. As well, we got here a higher low. That's what started the rally. But we came back down very quickly. Now, once the support hold it again here, what can we expect? I see resistance at around 10,500. If we can't break it, we will probably go test this support again, and then we can bounce off it. If we bounce from the support and we break 10,500, we can test this channel again at the top at around 11,000, depends on the time frame, maybe a little bit higher. If we break this, I expect we will go higher. If the support does not hold, we can probably make it to the bottom of this channel and then break out. If Bitcoin does not hold this channel, we will re-evaluate and will probably go below 8,500. But if that happens, we will re-evaluate. Actually, this dump is pretty normal in my opinion. It's good that we are consolidating because we had a very big rally. It went parabolic, and then we had a huge crash. Well, it's not really a crash, it's just a healthy correction in my opinion. It's good that we are consolidating. The longer we consolidate, the better it is for Bitcoin in the long term, because we went up very high very quickly. So it's healthy. This is why dollar cost averaging is so important. Bitcoin is very volatile. Nobody knows exactly what Bitcoin is going to do. So that's why we buy some Bitcoin at the support. If the support breaks, we'll probably go lower and test the bottom of this channel, and then we can buy some more. Okay, now let's move on. So let's talk about the Argentina peso. As you can see, Bitcoin is at an all-time high against the Argentina peso. If you see the top here in 2017, it's nothing, it's almost doubled. So, and why is this happening? Because the Argentina peso is experiencing hyperinflation right now. They're printing too much money. As you can see, the Argentina peso against the US dollar. The Argentina peso just collapsed in like a few days. This is at the 4-hour chart, let's put it at the day chart. As you can see, it dropped 25% in just a matter of days. 1, 2, 3 days. And that just really is insane. That's why the value of Bitcoin is so high against the Argentina pesos right now. As you just saw, the Argentina peso just lost 25% of its value in just a matter of days. That's ridiculous. Imagine waking up and you're instantly 20% or 25% poorer than you was before. So that's why we have Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin matters. That's why we see adoption happening in these countries, because these countries really need an alternative, and they can choose from Bitcoin or other currencies, digital currencies, not fiat currencies, because fiat currencies are shit. And yeah, that's why we have Bitcoin. People who bought the top in 2017 are already almost doubled their money. So well done to those people who bought Bitcoin in 2018 and beginning of 2019. They really did a good investment. And I think it's just a matter of time before we will see like the US dollar or the euro chart will look like something like this. Because what's going on right now with the euro and the dollar, the ECB, European Central Bank, is printing money like crazy. So it's just a matter of time before we will see hyperinflation here in Europe. That's exactly why we buy Bitcoin, guys. To protect us from irresponsible governments and inflation. The endless money printing that the bankers are doing. Fiat currencies will eventually collapse. And I think it's only a matter of time before we will see graphs like this, like Bitcoin versus US dollar or the euro or the pound. It will be all something like this. It will only be a matter of time. So if you think this video was interesting, guys, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.